Hello there, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Solo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course, do make sure that you do share this video, guys. Lekompo artist, rapper. Shebesheto's real name is Lithogono Chauke Katero was arrested earlier yesterday at his home in Bendo Polokwane, of course, in connection with an alleged road rage shooting that took place in October 2025. Now, according to police report, the incident occurred on the 19th of October when Shebeshet allegedly shot another motorist in the stomach during a heated altercation at a patrol station. You guys, it is said that Mutulurong Otunchijo is reportedly in ICU fighting for his life. You guys, Shebeshet had previously surrendered himself to the police with his legal team and was released while investigations continued. He has now formally been arrested as part of an ongoing probe by the Limpopo Murder and Robbery Unit. You guys are the latest development add to Shebeshet's growing list of legal troubles, including prior attempted murder and cases in 2022 and 2023, you guys. And these are some of the visuals of him, of course, getting arrested yesterday, and he appeared in court today. I'll be doing up a follow-up a video on that and update you, of course, on how it went down. You guys, what do you think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also, like this video and do share it. Subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I'll definitely and surely be seeing you in the next video.